Should I start today my English practice journey? Maybe later. I'm so confused, irritating. Where should I start? Should I start with learning English grammar or just start with speaking exercises? So, guys, welcome all of you to English in Short. And if you are also struggling with these questions, so this video is for you guys because today in this video I am going to give you the answer of all these questions. So guys, if you are a beginner, you must be very confused about where should you start your English learning journey. Should you start first learning English grammar, or you should start from listening English content, or from writing, or you should just start speaking exercise? Because when we are at the beginning stage, we all face all these questions. We don't know what we have to do or not, and if at this stage uh, we don't get proper guidance, then it would cause it would be very irritating, and anyone could give up on his English learning. So in this video I am going to guide you about all these things. Because guys, my when I started learning English, I also uh, I also was very confused about all the things, and uh, maybe I did not get some proper guidance. I started myself. I started with the listening content. I every day listen English content, and I just thought just listening is enough. It will help me to speak well. I thought as much as I listen to the content, uh, I would be able to speak better. But that was my biggest mistake, guys, because I realized this mistake that time when I have to talk to a person who really belongs to the English medium background, who could not speak in Hindi, who could not talk in Hindi. So I have to talk to that person, and uh, when I when I talked to that person, I felt so uh, hesitation. I felt hesitation inside me. I felt irritating. My mind started um, translating from Hindi to English. I was that time I realized that I did a big mistake. I just thought just listening is enough, but guys, only listening was not enough. Because if your goal is to become fluent in English speaking, or you want to talk to people who speaks in Hindi, you want to get confidence in English speaking, then it is very very important to speak up in English. From that day I changed my mindset. I started speaking. I started doing speaking practice every single day. Yes, I yes, I still listened to the English content, but now the approach was different. Whatever I listened to the content, I speak up. I speak up. Like if I listen to any English story, then I tried to explain that story in my own words. Then I started using English phrases, English sentences in my day to day life. Before, when I just listened to English content, what did I do? I just listened to, and I just took that as an exercise. I did not involved whatever I was doing into my day-to-day life. But from that day, I changed my mindset. I started using uh, English little by little in my daily life. If I have to if I had to ask for water, then I, instead of saying that in Hindi, in my mother tongue, I ask I asked in English. I started talking in English at my home with my siblings. Yes, sometimes they laughed at me, they made fun of me, and still it happens. They also got irritating. But I started using simple sentences in my day-to-day life, and it really helps them, because if I talk, they are also listening. What am I talking, and it also helping them. Um, to improve their English speaking. So guys, if you are a beginner, so I hope you find your answer, because where should you start from? I'll suggest you guys start listening, but also start speaking. And how you have to speak, from where you have to start. You have to start using English in your daily life. If you ask for water, you can say, please get me a glass of water. And if you are asking your mama कि उन्होंने या डिनर बना दिया है, you can say, mama, have you cooked dinner, can I have it? uh, this way you can you will as much as you start uh, you start using English in your uh, daily conversation, in your daily life. Guys, you started getting familiar with the language, and you would not even realize when you got habitual of this language. Literally, it will definitely help you. So guys, that's all for today. I will see you in the next video on next Sunday. Till then, bye bye. Keep learning.